Alright, so I just sat down and I'm gonna try and find a couple of trades for binary real quick. So what I'm looking at is very first thing, I'm gonna go and make sure that the paybacks are okay, because if these are 60s, I'm not trading it. I'm not trading anything below a 70%. The payback's not there. I'm not gonna risk $100 to make 60 bucks. That's just it's risky as it is. I don't even want to risk 100 to make 80, but it's the way you got to do it. So I'm going to make sure that the numbers are right. Then I'm going to kind of see how the charts are moving and make sure that it's going in a direction where I think I can profit from it. I go back and forth between the candlesticks. I set them to a minute just so I can keep the charts the same. I saw this one moving from the bottom left to the top right. I mean, this is an easy trade right here. I mean, not much analysis goes into this one. US dollar CHF. I'll run over US dollar CHF. No indicators, nothing. I put a little trend line there because I don't think it's moving up past that. I have a solid push up. Actually, I think it is going above that line right there, because usually if we're headed up towards resistance, correctively, like this, moving up and down, then we're going to get a reversal. We might not get a reversal here because, because of these big impulses. I mean, it looks to me that these candles may be getting bigger in size. Somewhat. Potential. Nope, smaller, but that one's bigger. So anyways, US dollar CHF, I see it's moving up. I put in a 5-minute trade. This is 10% of the account. The account's at $2,000. I expect it to maybe come close somewhere down here, but I don't expect it to be in danger of me losing the trade at all anymore at this point. So anyways, what's the other one? AUD US dollar. This one is, that one's in profit too right now. Whoops, that one just clicked off. Okay. So 360 minus 2 is 160, $160 profit on that one, $150 profit on this one. As long as it stays down. I'll try to catch this one as it closes. But anyways, that's pretty much the analysis. I kind of just look for a reversal. This one's really good because I like this push up and then this hanging man right here. I have I have seller sensitivity here. I have seller sensitivity, seller sensitivity, seller sensitivity. I entered somewhere around here, but definitely with this doji, with this hanging man, we're definitely going to see a push down. I mean, that's why I entered this trade right here. The only reason why I'm on my demo right now is because I literally just sat down at the computer to do this. And I'm not going to just jump in and put my very first trade on my live account for 200 bucks and just say, okay, well, I'm awake enough. I had my coffee, so it's time to go. 15 seconds left on this one for 150 bucks. That's $300. If I would have sat down, if I would have just opened my live account instead, $300 profit. I sat down 10 minutes ago. So, 3 seconds, 2, 1. That's it. I mean, join the group if you want to learn how to get this money this quick. It's not as easy as it looks. Trust me. There's technical analysis that goes along with it. I know I show these videos all the time of me just jumping out and saying, oh yeah, here we go. We got this candle, this reversal, and it drops. It's not that easy. It is because I know what to look for and I know the process in my head. But yeah, I mean, technical analysis paired with, discipline and good risk management, and you can be extremely successful, extremely successful. All right, that's it. See ya.